How to remove virus from Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. On this page, scroll down to the General section and turn on the Block Pop-ups feature. Enabling this will prevent most pop-up windows from appearing while browsing in Safari. After that, scroll further down and turn on the Fraudulent Website Warning switch. And then, tap on Clear History and Website Data below. Select All History. Then, turn on the Close All tab switch and tap on Clear History. Following these steps, you can easily remove virus from Safari on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.